Be sure to subscribe and press the
Press the like button. Alright. Okay. I want to see her laugh. I want to see her laugh or smile. See a smile. There. Let's see. That's the break. Oh wow. For the 8 seconds. Oh. Okay. I see everything I see your smile.
morning
The
light
moonlight
falls
is
soft
warm
and
and
clear.
clear.
Suddenly you feel
Near.
near. The
And
world
work
wakes
is
up
up,
in
they
shades
say
of
they are
gold, but
gold,
your
the
smile's a
fire, so
story yet
yes.
untold.
Until
Never knew that love could stay through pain and time, through night and day. But now I know what makes life worthwhile. Every time I see you smile, I've seen the skies and oceans blue, but nothing shines as bright as you. I've walked across through endless miles, but my heart stops every time you smile. You bring the calm, you bring the peace, the quiet joy that doesn't cease. No moment feels like it's in style, till every time I see your smile, it's like the sun breaks through the gray. You turn the night to gentle day, and all my doubts just drift away. Every time I see your smile, every time I see your smile, the words they feel a little while. The pain and fear they fade from you, and all I see is love so true. You make the shadows lose their
is my memory.
Choose the dreams I couldn't find. But you were there the whole time. You taught my heart how to believe in something I could never leave. Your laughter heals, your eyes save. You show me what it means to live, and in your glow I rest a while. Every time I see your smile through quiet nights,
This is my memory.
this is my constant, my saving grace. Even the stars can't shine as bright as your glowing fading light. Your every calm, your every wine. Every time I see your smile, your every song of world. Each melody that draws me near. The world feels right, the world feels clear. Every time I see your smile, every time I see your smile, my heart beats free, my soul rises high. No storm can tear the truth apart. You are the rhythm of my life. Through highs and lows, through every mile, I'm coming home through every trial. Because my world feels worthwhile. Every time I see your smile.
This is my memory. I'm so sweet of you. This is surprise.
And when the silence starts to speak, it's your voice my heart will seek. Every tear passing leads me back to your smile. When I'm lost in your eyes, the peace I find every time. You lift me up, you make me whole. And you find yourself so across the earth. Every time I see your smile, every time I see your smile, heaven's open angels shine. Every broken piece I found feels like it's finally found its home. You're the reason, you're the sign, the perfect note that sings this line. Forever stars and it's worth it. Every time I see your smile. And if the years should separate, words of love begin to fade, just know my heart will softly say, I loved you then, I love you now, in every breath, in every vow, till stars no longer light the miles, every time I see your smile. So
I need you, or I never let you go. Gonna be okay by now. Why does not smile in my house? finally. And please watch my video. Thanks for support, guys.